Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I just got a surprise washi tape shop package in the mail. I mean, I knew it was coming, but I have no idea what's inside. I cannot wait to open it with you guys. It's going to be a blind unboxing. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. Okay, sometimes I like to open these ahead of time so that I can explain what each thing is, but I think it's more fun if you just get my first reactions, and then I can kind of try to link the products in the description box or come back and tell you what they are. So let's see. It's a big box of washi tape. I love it when Washi Tape Shop sends me stuff, so thank you very much to the Washi Tape Shop for sponsoring this video. Super nice of you. So there's a lot of stuff in here. Like, they're wrapped in pretty paper. I have no idea what they are. They're like little presents. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh God. Presents upon presents. Okay. So let's put this aside and check everything out. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so the first thing we have is these, and I actually asked them for these because I have these colors in this skinny washi, and I have these colors in this fatter washi. So I kind of wanted like both, you know what I mean? So I got these, so that's awesome because I love these so much, and they're so useful just having like those plain tapes. Okay, let's check out what these are. So I think I asked for these as well, but I can't remember. I think this is a box of like tiny little die cut stickers. Let's see. I think they're the stamp ones. So they did ask me, you know, some of the products that I would like, and sometimes they send me other things as well. I did ask for these. I think these are so cute. Let's move these aside. I think these are so cute. They're like little stamps. And they're stickers. Like, how cute are these? I don't know. I just thought like it would be fun to do a spread with like these little stamps. Look at that one with the yellow flower. And like, these are so cute. And they were cheap. I forget how much they were, but they were not expensive. I mean, Washi Tape Shop did give them to me, but I did look at the price and it really wasn't very expensive. And I just think they're adorable and they would make a really cute spread. Look at that little lady. So pretty. So there's a lot of stickers in there. They look like little postage stamps. Look at these mini ones. Okay, so that's caramel waltz stickers. Huh, interesting. Okay, so let's check out what we have. I know it might be a pain that I'm going to have to unwrap these. I'm not going to edit this part out. You might hear some noise. I apologize for that. But let's dig into it and see what we've got here. Oh boy. Oh, you guys. Okay, so this is a new product. This is a brand new product, and it's a set of grid washi, but not just, and you know I love the grid washi, right? You guys know that. Not just grid washi, but like these super neutral, like rose toned. They're all like different colors, but they're kind of similar, but they're gonna match like any spread that I have that's like in those colors. And I've been wanting some like pink and more neutral rosy colored washi tapes, so this is so cute. I'm really happy for these. I love the grid washi. I don't know what it is about it. I think because it's like such a subtle pattern, and it comes in different colors, it just kind of complements the spread rather than taking it over. Do you know what I mean? So I like that a lot. Let's grab this little guy. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, I asked for this one too. It's like Christmas. Look at this. Look at those dragonflies. Aren't they the coolest? They're like pink. They're like peachy pink. And then there's these little dandelion puffy things. Yeah, so, so cute. And I like how it's really wide. Sometimes I really love the wide washi because it, I said that this like kind of complements a spread. Well, this kind of makes a spread. Like if you have a really decorative wide washi, you can put it all across the middle or whatever you want to do. And it's like a design. So I like that a lot. I can't wait to use that. That's so pretty. And again, I don't know the official names, but I'm going to try to link the products like separately if I have time. I am going on vacation, so hopefully I'll have time. Look at these. So it's the same thing. You've got like a really wide washi tape, and it's almost like just kind of scrapbook paper, but sticky, right? Like a big scrapbook paper strip. Really pretty yellow flowers. Beautiful. By the way, anything you order at the washi tape shop, you can use code Bumble10 for 10% off. So that's like all the time because they're an ongoing sponsor for me. And like I think that pretty much goes for anything on their site. But yeah, so don't forget to use that code. Also, if you're going to order from them, I'd really appreciate it if you use my affiliate link because that will get me a little bit of extra income from like commission for that. It doesn't cost you a dime, but it would help me out a great deal. So I thank you for that. That's always in the description box too. Look at this. Look at this. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's like, I'm not going to unravel these, but it's like soft kind of muted blue and these sort of tan leaves, just beautiful in like a repeating pattern. It's like wallpaper, isn't it? It's so pretty. This looks like another wide one. Ooh, look at this one. Ooh, this is so cute. I really want to unwrap these, but at the same time, well, I'm going to unwrap this one because I want to see it, actually. Let me grab a piece of paper. Oh, actually, I don't really need paper, but I'll put it on this. So, ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Look at that. So that'll fit like, you could do it like right across the middle of your spread like that. You can even do it right there and then put another kind of washi right on top. I mean, that's just like the illustration is beautiful. All right, now I want to open up the other ones. I wasn't going to because like they're the kind that don't stick on themselves. They have like this little tape that holds it together. And I kind of don't like to mess with it until I'm actually using it, but I can't control myself. I at least want to do this one because this one's so pretty. I mean, they're all pretty. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. All right. All right, I'm going to open up one more of those. I'm sorry, I can't control myself. I'm going to open up this dragonfly one. Just the colors in it are so pretty. Look. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, let's move on. I have two more little presents to unwrap. Let's see what this one is. It's like my birthday. Ooh, look at this. So this is new as well because it's going to match those. It's going to match that set of grid washi tape. But, so I'm always looking for pink washi. I really, really am. And it's really hard to come by. And especially these neutral tones are hard to come by as well. But look at this set. So it's going to match those grid tapes. Ooh, look at this one's like coral. You could even do a spread with a bunch of these together because it's going to all kind of coordinate. Really, really nice and very trendy. you know, on trend. So really, really cool. And they're the same, like, exact colors, I think, as these, or very, very close. I think they're the same. So you can combine like the two different types of washi, you know what I mean? Let's see the last one. I see some plain washi tape in there, which, oh no, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Not plain. It's not plain. Do you see? It is glitter. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that. So pretty. And then here's the other 4 colors. They're just so cute. These are great for like just celebration spreads, like birthdays or just fun, like girly spreads. I think this is so fun. I mean, in moderation for sure. I'm not going to put it all over my spread, but I just think they're so cute. So, so cute. So, and hardly any glitter came off on my hands. Look at that. I expected I'd have glitter all over my hands, but it's not really coming off. So that's good too. So thank you very much to the Washi Tape Shop for sending me these beautiful tapes. And you guys let me know what your favorites were in the comments below. And again, my affiliate link will be down there. And that code Bumble10 will be down there as well. Oh, wait, I forgot about these. Yeah, so let me know which was your favorite. And I will see you guys in my next video. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.